Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today. And we do have the Feds coming out with their interest rate song and dance tomorrow. So I suspect that this is some form of a rejection that has happened here. And you can see a fairly strong move up yesterday and then a big engulfing bar. But it was public holidays all around the world, except in the US. And if I just scroll to the left, you can see the reason for the rejection. This is a strong area of potential resistance here. Right now, just checking the weekly, there's nothing really on the weekly that we need to pay attention to just yet, except for that weekly channel, but we haven't broken through it. So we do have some structure lower down, and that would make the most sense for me. So we do have an inverse head and shoulders, but I think that may have played out. 600 no, we're still 150 points short of that. So there's still a move higher, there's still a target higher, but I would basically pick up all these levels here on the 3 hour. You can see there's the first one, and then just pick up the lowest one here. There's a lot in between, but that would be the zone that I would expect something to happen. Oscillators are easing off quite nicely. View reversals are rare. So in other words, that is an inside bar. We've got a crossover, confirmation of a trend to the upside. Everything looking like we should be looking for an opportunity to buy. And then when we start looking at the oscillators here, you can see we've got diversions. Price is low, price is high, oscillators low, oscillators lower. So that is diversions. Trend is up, moving averages are there. So you're looking for opportunity to buy. Now, you might as well just add the levels in here, because that is what the big boys will be paying attention to at the moment. So for me, right now, the trend is up. We should be looking for an opportunity to buy. We do have the interest rate announcements, so we could just go into a range. Or we could reject here on the 15 minutes. You can see on the oscillators it's all leaning towards a rejection, but we haven't really had a decent pickup of one of these two levels here. So I would suspect 3400 is the first area to pay attention to, and then 33885. So if price does get back down into these areas, I'd be definitely be looking to buy. The other way that I'd be in on this is if we break above 34088, come and test this area, so it allows the moving averages a chance to cross over again. Great opportunity to buy with a stop below the low of yesterday. So the target is really just going to be this yesterday's high pretty much, which is 34270, and then I just want to look to the left just to see what structure is there, and you can see quite a bit that happened in February. I seem to remember there was a gap up here, but it doesn't look that way. But that's definitely the next level, 34270. Only if we get above that would I reckon we've got something else brewing. So you can see if I go to the 8 hour, you can see everything here. So there's another one there. Okay, so that's what I'd be aiming for again, 34270 and 34313. But get down to the lower time frames. That's going to be the wisest decision. And even if you do reject this area, I'd be reluctant to take the short. So there may be some short scalps, but you're probably going to be taken out at 3400. So you have to take profit at each level and just see if it starts building a reversal back to the upside. Yeah, that's kind of my view at the moment. I think we are probably going to be sideways until tomorrow evening. Evening for us in European time zones. But anyway, that's kind of the view that I've got for today. I hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.